Hi everyone! The automation feature in the REW CRM is designed to take most of the manual work out of lead management and improve team efficiency. By using triggers, conditions, and actions, automations will take care of repetitive tasks like notifying agents, reassigning leads, sending follow-ups, adding notes to lead profiles, and more. In this video tutorial, I'll walk you through how it all works and how to manage permissions for agents. So let's get started. Log into the REW CRM and head to the CRM homepage. You'll notice a new tab on the top of the page, Automations. Navigate to here. This will be your main automations homepage, and all your saved automation rules will be shown here. Click on the blue Add New Automation button on the top right of the page to create a new rule. The three main components to an automation contains a trigger, a condition, and an action. Let's go through them. Triggers are based on CRM or website events. If you click on the Add a Trigger box below, you will see the list of events that you will be able to prompt. Conditions are factors or requirements that can be added to further narrow down your trigger. Conditions can be optional, and you can add more than one to your automation. Click on the drop-down to see the available conditions. Actions define what happens when both triggers and conditions are met. Automations can notify assigned agents via email or text, reassign leads to different agents, add notes to lead profiles, or enroll leads in action plans. You will be able to add more than one action to an automation. I'm going to create a new automation that will notify agents when interested leads have saved a property. For my rule name, I'll call it New Saved Listings. Below, I'm going to add a brief description of what my automation does. For my rules trigger, I'm going to select Property Saved. And for condition, I'm going to add Number of Viewed Listings. Within this factor, I'm going to leave this checked as Is More Than, and we'll type in 10. This will further narrow down leads who are actively browsing my site. Let's move on to action. For this, I want my automation to notify me through email and text. So first, let's set up an email command. Add a subject and type in an automated message. Don't forget to use merge tags in your message to help personalize and customize your content. To view all the available tags you can use, click on the blue More Tags button. Now that our email is set, let's add a text command. Type in your text message. The same merge tags are available for texts, so I'm just going to copy and paste my email message. Finally, at the bottom of the page, select whether you want to run this rule once or multiple times per lead. And when you're happy with your new automation rule, hit Save. It's that simple. I now have a new automation that will email and text me a notification when a lead has saved a property and has at least viewed 10 listings. Head back to the automations homepage. As mentioned before, your saved automation rules will be listed in here. You will be able to view the status of your rule, the number of leads it has been applied to, the number of times it has been executed, and the number of runs per lead. Now we can move on to permission settings for automations. By default, agents' permissions are disabled. As an admin, you'll need to enable each agent's permission to create and manage their own automations. To do this, navigate to the company page of the CRM. And select an agent. Open the Agent Summary drop-down and select Permissions. Scroll down towards the bottom of the page and expand the Automation Privileges section. Check the Add and Manage Own Automation box to enable this permission for this agent. Save your changes. And that's about it. Free up valuable time for your team and increase lead productivity with REW CRM's automations. If you have any questions or want to know more about automations, please reach out to us at rew.com or join the conversation on our forums page. Thanks for watching.